If you want to block an IP address of a visitor in your Namecheap account, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and safe way. This is useful if you're dealing with unwanted traffic, repeated spam, or a visitor you want to keep away from your hosted website or services. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Namecheap guides just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using your usual email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list section. This is where all of your hosting plans are shown. Next to the hosting plan you want to manage, click Go to cPanel. This will open the control panel for that specific hosting account. Now that you're in cPanel, look for the Security section. Inside Security, click on IP Blocker. This is the tool that allows you to block specific IP addresses or even a domain from accessing your site. Once the IP Blocker page opens, you'll see a field labeled IP address or domain. In that field, type the visitor's IP address exactly as you want to block it. If you have a domain instead, you can enter that here too, but in this case, we're focusing on the IP address. After entering the IP, click Add. As soon as you do that, the IP address will be added to your blocked list. That means any traffic coming from that IP will no longer be able to access the websites and services hosted under that cPanel account. It's a very fast way to stop unwanted access without changing anything else on your site. If you ever need to check your blocked entries later, you can return to the same IP blocker area and review the list there. And if you want to remove the block in the future, you can usually do that from the same section as well. So that's how you block an IP address of a visitor in Namecheap account using cPanel. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick hosting tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.